Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check your OneDrive storage usage. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to your System Tray section at the bottom of your screen. This is where your Microsoft OneDrive app launcher is located. Go ahead and click on the OneDrive icon to open it. A small OneDrive window will pop up on your screen. Now, to check your OneDrive storage usage, you'll need to locate the gear icon positioned at the top right corner of this OneDrive window. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Settings to proceed. Once your OneDrive settings window opens, you'll want to look at the bottom left section of the settings interface. Here, you'll see information about your current storage usage on OneDrive. This displays how much space you're currently using and how much total storage you have available. Click on this storage usage information, and you'll be automatically redirected to a browser tab. This tab will show you detailed information about your storage usage, including a breakdown of what types of files are taking up space and how much room you have left. This detailed view helps you understand exactly how your OneDrive storage is being utilized and whether you need to free up space or consider upgrading your storage plan. And that's all there is to it. You've now accessed your complete OneDrive storage information. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.